In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute a Google Meet presentation. So you find yourself in a situation where you need to present in a Google Meet session, but there's a twist. You want to share your screen without sharing the audio from your computer. This can be super handy in a lot of situations. Maybe there's background noise you don't want to broadcast, or perhaps you simply need to provide commentary without the distraction of system sounds or videos playing on your screen. Whatever the reason, let's dive into how you can accomplish this smoothly. First things first, we need to head over to the Google Meet website. Assuming you've already got a Google account, go ahead and sign in. Once you're in, look for the new meeting button to get started. This button is your gateway to launching the meeting you're going to present in. Sounds good? Great. Next up, you'll see a few options, but what we're interested in is start an instant meeting. Click on that and it will whisk you straight into a new meeting with just you in it. Now you're ready to present. In the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll find the present option. Give that a click. Google Meet will ask what you want to share, your entire screen, a window, or a tab. Choose what's relevant to your presentation, but here comes the crucial part. Before you confirm what you're sharing, look for the option to turn off audio sharing. This little toggle is what you'll need to click if you want to share your screen without any of the sound that might be playing on your computer. After deselecting the share audio option, go ahead and select what you're aiming to present. And there you have it. You're now presenting your screen without any of the accompanying audio. This feature is a game changer for creating more focused and professional presentations, ensuring that your viewers only hear what you want them to hear, your voice, and not your email notifications or that YouTube video you were watching during your break. Remember, clear communication is key, so using this feature effectively can really help to streamline your presentation and keep distractions to a minimum. Nobody needs to hear your Spotify playlist accidentally in the middle of a report on quarterly sales, right? To wrap up, I hope this guide helps you to take control of your audio during Google Meet presentations. Whether it's a large meeting or a one-on-one, mastering this feature will undoubtedly make your virtual meetings run much smoother. Happy presenting!